Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2010 Jaguar XF. From any screen, you have phone there. If you click on phone, change phone, search new. So we click on change phone, you see Barry's iPhone there. There's nothing connected to it at the moment, so that screen comes up. If there was, it wouldn't come up. But you see Barry's iPhone there. I just want to delete it. Delete Barry's iPhone 12 Pro, yes. Delete, OK. That's it, the phone's gone. OK, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2010 Jaguar XF. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on, and then we're watching out at the bottom here. We go over to the screen. It's picked up Jaguar already on here. We go over to the screen. If it's not on this screen already, just click home, then onto phone. There's nothing paired, so it's asking me, would you like to search for a new phone now? Yes. Barry's iPhone not paired, pair and dock. So we've got Jaguar there. We click pair and dock. It's saying 0960 0960 pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow. Let's see, is it already Jaguar there? We'll just wait for that to connect. Jaguar connected, phone docked. That's it. It's as easy as that. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the Sat Nav in this 2010 Jaguar XF. So from any screen, if we click the home button there, which is that one, navigation, second from the bottom on the left. I've already used this, but if you hadn't, you would have to hit agree not to be distracted, the button first, and then you've got destination entry. Address, points of interest or postcode. We want postcode. Now we're at our new address, easy for me to say, we're at our new address, which is Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, PR5 4, oh hang on, I might have to put in a space, 4 E 8, OK. Destination. It's not immediately obvious what you've got to do there because you've just put your destination in and you've got all these arrows, but click destination. It's now searching for the route. And then also we've got start here, and it would be helpful if they put start in green or something so it would jump out at you from the screen, but anyway.
Please follow the highlighted route.
That's it. That's how you set it. Thanks for watching.